How to restore missing custom app notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. So you will see notification is here, so click on notification. So click on app notification. So after click on app notification, you will see, so if you want to set restore missing custom app notifications on, so select app from here. So after select app, so first of all, turn on allow notifications. After turn on button and turn on sound and vibration. So after turn on sound and vibration, so click on default show always and click on default pop-up. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how to restore missing custom app notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.